Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Juan. Today, we're delving into the world of Alibaba Group Holding Ltd ADR, a company that needs no introduction in the global e-commerce and technology space. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell for more updates. Background. Host, Alibaba, a powerhouse in e-commerce, cloud computing, and various other tech ventures, has been a key player in the market. Let's take a closer look at where Alibaba stands right now and what the future might hold for this tech giant. Share price analysis. Host, as of current date, Alibaba Group Holding Ltd ADR is trading at current share price. Remember, stock prices are dynamic and subject to market changes. It's crucial to stay updated with the latest information, conduct your own research, and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Chart analysis. Host, now, let's dive into the recent price movements. Display and analyze relevant charts on screen. Host, analyzing the charts can provide us insights into the recent performance of Alibaba's stock. Keep in mind that past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but it can help identify trends and potential patterns. Future targets. Host, what about the future targets for Alibaba Group Holding Ltd ADR? Analysts are projecting, mention any current analyst predictions or price targets. However, these are estimates and can be influenced by various factors. Stay tuned for updated analyses to stay informed about the latest market sentiments. Recent developments. Host, recent news and developments within Alibaba can significantly impact its stock performance. Whether it's updates on regulatory issues, new business ventures, or financial reports, staying informed is crucial for investors. Conclusion. Host, in conclusion, Alibaba Group Holding Ltd ADR remains a dominant force in the global tech landscape. While the company exhibits promising potential, it's essential to conduct thorough research, stay updated with the latest news, and consider your own investment strategy and risk tolerance. Host, if you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow investors, and subscribe for more content on stocks and investing. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.